How you doing, guys? This is IntoCryptoSpace, and we're going to be talking about Ron Kitty's live stream. We're going to talk about GameStop and AMC and Monday predictions. Stay tuned. So first at the helm, talking about Ron Kitty himself. The live stream Friday. Just to talk about some facts. 30 minutes late, which is fine, which is not a big deal. The dude, after 3 years, this is his first live stream. So at the end of the day, he was never that person to be super punctual, super meme-like. His personality, it kind of correlates, right? There's no big deal. I know a couple of people, a good amount of people, really expecting him to be like more official and business savvy. But I think all those individuals were definitely first timers, getting into the scene. Because if you know anything about Ron Kitty, this is who he is. So coming in, dressed like a patient, bandages everywhere, a broken arm sling, joking and then pouring beer in front of everybody. This is him to a T. This very live stream was a huge win for the community in GME stock, right? And it's building momentum for this upcoming week and weeks to follow. How, you may ask? So, first things first, right? It showed it's him. It's no bot account and there's no hacker, right? So this is him. This is the person that started the helm, the short squeeze of 2021, right? Outside of that, it also showed he stated that there was no outside parties backing him because a lot of people, from what he said, were worried that he was being bought off. He also talked about the potential GME turnaround and why he's bullish on the stock moving forward, along with some analytics and stats about the company itself. The thing that I love the most, he trolled the hedge funds and media to a T, where CNBC literally recorded his live stream and tried making a mockery of him, but therefore giving him a bigger platform and reach. Not to mention that the man himself also showed his position to an upwards of 600,000 people at present time, where he was down hundreds of millions of dollars. But the best thing about it is that he wasn't fazed at all. He was joking. He was still drinking. He was not fazed one bit. And that confidence alone will trickle down to the masses. And again, to 600,000, to an upwards of 2.3 million volumes on this stream alone. All of that confidence has trickled down. Monday could be a banger. And to talk about our favorite exchange out there, Robinhood, halted in upwards of 17 times Friday, most of them being during the live stream itself. The one rule, and the only rule they seem to abide by, is a legal duration of the halted stock, where they must respect a 5-minute period. Funny enough though, it didn't seem to stop them abusing this and letting a period of not even 30 seconds to go by before halting again, as shown on the screen. Comical or just downright sad in how they continue to weaponize this function as they attempt and continue the manipulation from Wall Street and its hedge fund buddies, which unfortunately I have to include that may or may not be true. With them having tools such as halting, that is why a majority of the parabolic runs that have happened had happened during extended hours of trading, due to the fact that halting isn't seen and or allowed. And for Monday expectations, let's focus on firepower and fear of missing out. Yes, FOMO. To reiterate, 600,000 people at present time, 2 million plus views on the live stream alone. Some of his tweets, as shown on the screen, is pushing over 10 to 20 million views. Ladies and gents, this is a huge army. Now think about all that money from investors, soon-to-be investors, and skeptics who are in or will get in after a bit more conviction occurs. This can be insane as we begin to ramp up after Ron Kitty's live stream stating that he is at the helm and that he is real and not bought for. For many, that'll be reason enough to get in on GME. Now, about AMC. So due to the correlation of these heavily shorted stocks, AMC being the closest to GME, they, in ways, move together. As shown on screen is shorting volume on both stocks. this being GameStop. Quick note that it's actually at the same level as it was in 2021, meaning if it gets higher, there's going to be a break. AMC as follows. Still a great amount of short volume, but nothing compared to 2021. I do think something's going to break, and when it does, price can go absolute parabolic to the upside or to the downside. So make sure to do your own research before investing, as this isn't financial advice. Transparently, I do have positions in both GameStop and AMC. I do see an opportunity to push on both helms and hopefully strive for victory. This is IntoCryptoSpace. Until next time.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah.